Welcome to the market update, and I'm glad to be here with you on this sunny summer Sunday. Let's talk a little bit about what moved the market and what happened last week. First of all, student loan repayments are going to restart in October. So after a 3-year-long pause, interest is going to start accruing on September 1st. Now you've got about 40 million Americans that have student loan debt, and they've got an average monthly bill of about $350. So that's starting up soon. Watch for that. Housing starts surged the most since 2016, as the number of new residential projects jumped about 22%, which was faster than expected. It exceeded estimates. The Pentagon kind of screwed up. They made an accounting error and it gave an extra $6 billion in arms to the Ukraine. So yay, thanks for that. We're dealing with some inflation and we're handing out a lot of money with an accounting error, right? Okay. So the mistake is going to leave a surplus of funding that can be used for future packages. So we'll see if we can spend that money wisely in the future. It's up to you to decide if it's going to be money well spent. It's going to be spent wisely. The FTC sued Amazon over what they say is deceptive tactics around the Prime sign-up and cancellation process. So if you've had any issues, suddenly you're being charged for Prime or you can't cancel it. Thanks, Amazon. Hey, the FTC has our backs. Rivian, the EV automaker, they've got this sweet truck. Well, they have partnered up with Tesla. So they're going to adopt, they haven't actually partnered with them, but they are adopting Tesla's charging standard, which gives all of their customers access to the largest charging network. There's over 12,000 superchargers in the US and Canada. My wife and daughter actually went on a little road trip. They're just getting back today, but they rented a Tesla to head out to Colorado and attend an AJR concert. So yes, I was excited that they're spending some good mommy-daughter time together and going on a road trip. But a Tesla, long distance? The first text I got from them was, yeah, we're sitting here at a charging station, charging this baby up. In the crypto world, Citadel, Schwab, and Fidelity launching crypto exchanges alongside other investors. It's going to be called the EDX markets, and it's going to be a more regulator-friendly business model compared to the other crypto exchanges. So if you have anything to do with crypto, Citadel, Schwab, and Fidelity, they got something going here. And then, along the same vein with crypto, Invesco reapplies for a Bitcoin ETF. Now, you know, I've been kind of talking about the GBTC, Grayscale Bitcoin ETF. It's trading at a big discount. Right now, it's about 30% discount to their net asset value. And if they win their lawsuit with the FTC or the SEC, sorry, they will likely jump in price. If they can become an ETF, they'll close that discount that they're trading at. Let's talk about what to expect in the upcoming week. So, Monday, there's really nothing big in the markets. If you follow the little Carnival Cruise Line stock, CCL, they do have earnings. Tuesday, we've got new home sales and the durable goods. So we're going to keep an eye on that. Now, Wednesday, nothing big in the US as far as announcements, but watch for Micron. They have earnings, and General Mills. Thursday, we have the jobless claims and pending home sales. Friday, we have PCE inflation, personal income, and personal spending reports. As we look at the one-year chart of the S&P 500, you can see that we've been on a tear. It's already made a nice run, and we've had a little bit of a pullback. No stock goes straight up or straight down. The market's been making a pretty good run. It's been unexpectedly strong in the face of a lot of the things going on. So a pullback is to be expected. In fact, let's just zoom in a bit. Once we get near the 50-day moving average, I would expect it to bounce up. But the 50-day moving average is still well below the current price. So we might have more room for a potential pullback. You saw that we hit and rode the upper Bollinger Band for a little while. Well, there's a chance we come back down to meet up with the lower Bollinger Band. So right now we're just in consolidation, a little bit more of a pullback mode. And you might expect to see some follow through from a technical analysis basis over the next couple of weeks. We are in the summer doldrums. It's usually a little bit slower in the summer. That's my hybrid word of the day. Let's go ahead and check out what the earnings calendar looks like. You see that this week, tomorrow, we've only got the one stock, and that's Carnival. Let's go ahead and click on it. Carnival has their earnings tomorrow. That shouldn't be any kind of a major market mover. Tuesday, we've got Walgreens. Wednesday, we have two. We've got the General Mills and Micron. Thursday, look for Nike's earnings report to have some impact, if not the market, the stock itself. And then finally, Friday, we've got Constellation Brands. The ticker symbol is STZ. It used to be Stars. Do you remember the cable channel that had all the really cool movies, the Stars network? Well, they're owned by Constellation Brands. That's why the ticker symbol is STZ. And if you want exposure to cannabis, this is actually one of those stocks that does have some of that exposure. So they have their earnings on Friday. Let's take a look at the Forex Factory calendar. You can see there's really nothing coming up on Monday. Tuesday, we have the consumer confidence report, which should have a stronger, you can see right here where my cursor is, a stronger impact on the market. And then you've got new home sales. I don't know much about the Richmond Manufacturing Index, so let's just go ahead and click on this little folder. Let's see what it is. Okay, it measures a level of composite index based on surveyed manufacturers in Richmond. Okay, hooray for Richmond. Basically, derived from a survey of 55 manufacturers in Richmond area, which asked respondents to rate the relative level of business conditions. All right, interesting. It's supposed to have just a mild impact on the market. Now we know a little bit about it. I don't know that I'm really putting a lot of emphasis on it causing the market to move big on Tuesday, but it's the consumer confidence that we're going to be paying attention to. Wednesday, we do have the Fed speaking. Mr. Powell will speak, so whatever he says tends to have a higher impact on the market. We'll keep an eye on his words, whether it's more hawkish or dovish. He has been a little bit more hawkish lately, and the market hasn't liked it. In fact, that could be some more fuel for a potential pullback, or maybe just some consolidation. Not looking for the market to turn around and skyrocket right now. You never know. Thursday, we've got the GDP quarter over quarter. We got the unemployment claims. And then Friday, we've got the core PCE price index to watch out for. So if the stocks in your watch list are giving you the right buy signals, you pounce on them, you take them, you trust the signals, but it is okay to be cautious, tighten up stop losses, take profits where you have them, and whatever you decide to do, good luck. Tune in and we'll be there to help you out as much as possible.